10 lines on Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel is also known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel was born on 31st of October 1875 in Nadiad city of Gujarat. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel met Mahatma Gandhi in October 1917 and thus started his journey for the Indian independence movement. He joined the Satyagrah movement in Gujarat after he joined the Indian National Congress. He was also imprisoned in 1930 for participating in Salt Satyagrah. Sardar Patel was the first Home Minister of India, serving from 15th of August 1947 to 15th of December 1950. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel's biggest contribution was organizing the princely states and incorporating them in the federal structure. The statue of Sardar Patel in Gujarat, named Statue of Unity, is the tallest statue in the world. In the memory of Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel, 31st October is celebrated as National Unity Day. This statue of Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel has been built on an island in the Narmada River near the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.